Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Low T Squad. This is the Velvetlox coming back to you with another wonderful video. And this video, of course, is for weight loss, okay? Now, what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be making a wonderful, easy weight loss tea. And this tea is going to help to slim you down, get all of that, get that weight off of your body, slim down your stomach, and you drink this every morning on an empty stomach. You can also drink this throughout the day, maybe up to 3 times a day if you choose. That's fine, okay? But we're working with some wonderful, powerful ingredients today. And let me just show you a little something. All right, now we're going to be working with some fennel seeds today. Also, a lime. We're also going to be using my favorite green tea. And some lily of the desert aloe vera gel. You can use the aloe vera juice. You can also use the aloe vera leaf if you choose to. So I'm going to be using at least 2 cups of water. And I'm going to put that in my pan already on the stove, warming up. Okay, so we're just going to warm that up. Now we're going to put that on a medium to low flame so we could slow simmer this down. And it's going to be for like 10 minutes. Now in the meantime, what I'm going to add to my pan is I'm going to add at least a tablespoon of my green tea leaves. And next I'm going to add also 1 tablespoon of my fennel seeds. Okay, and put that in your pan as well. Fennel kind of smells like licorice. Now I'm just going to take my lime actually, cut it in half. Then I'm going to squeeze my lime juice in my pan. And I'm just going to put my limes in there as well. So I'm going to cut my lime up into pieces. Okay, and I'm just going to drop that in the pan as well. So I'm going to let this boil for at least 10 minutes on a low simmer, and then I'll be back. So now my tea is finished cooking, and I'm just going to pour this out. Now we're going to add 3 tablespoons of our aloe vera juice. Okay, that was about 2 in 1 shot. Please forgive me. And that's it, you guys. Stir that up. If you want, you can add your organic honey in there to sweeten it. And that's it. You drink this every morning on an empty stomach, first thing in the morning, and you drink this every single day. Now what this is going to do is help to create a situation where you are melting fat in your body. The green tea is full of antioxidants. It's going to help boost your immune system, boost your metabolism, and this way speeds up the fat burning process. Okay, the fennel seeds is more like a diuretic, and that's going to help you to go. So you're going to be flushing, you're going to be running to and fro, back and forth to the bathroom. Drink lots of water with this tea. Also eat very healthy light meals. This is very powerful, and it is extreme weight loss. You will see your body slimming down. Okay, so don't forget to like, comment, share these videos, and thumbs them up. Hit that like button. Also hit that notification bell down below and set it to all, so this way you will not miss another one of these awesome weight loss tea videos in the future. Okay, don't forget to also check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will see hair care, skincare, family challenges, as well as fashion hauls. And also check down below in the links 4 links for the NUTRIBULLET as well as the metal straws, okay? And you guys, don't forget, your big sis loves you, and I will see you in the next video. Welcome YouTube family, this is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.